Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, fog lights, CD player, power windows, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.